feel like we should be playing a little Santana and Rob Thomas in the background because it's a hot one. Feels like 7 inches from the midday sun out here on the weather deck. That's the only musical reference I'm going to give tonight. Yeah, it's hot out there. 13 weather ball, however, is blue. Yay, some relief in the heat is due, and it's also blinking bright. We do have some showers and thunderstorms in sight.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And we have some high clouds now streaming in from the west on a hot afternoon, but still, most of the lawns are still green. Seeing a little browning, though, because of the lack of rain. We're currently at 90. We've made at least 91 here in Grand Rapids. Heat index value, though, are in the mid-90s. Yes, it is a hot one out there. Within at least 1 degree of our record high. We may update that here in Grand Rapids. It is tied a record in Holland and very close there in Muskegon as well. Not as hot here going forward. No storms here in West Michigan as we thought there might be, and most of the storms are south and east of I-69. Just a few showers north of Sheboygan, Wisconsin. We'll see a few more showers starting to develop later on tonight. Some active weather back to the west in Wisconsin and Minnesota. Not here, however, but this cold front, double cold front, is really going to cool our temperatures down. First into the 80s behind that front, and then into the 70s behind that one. Still 91 in Minneapolis, but it is 60 out here in Pierce, South Dakota. We're at 90 on the hot side of the fronts. Working your way through the forecast, there's the low pressure system right there. Those showers over toward Jackson going to fall apart, but they're going to refire to our west later on tomorrow morning. This is prior to daybreak, so anticipate a shower or a rumble of thunder, and that'll come through in the morning hours. That's when the most active weather will be. In the afternoon, there could be a few more developing south and east of about Kalamazoo to Lansing. But after that, we are definitely going to cool down behind the front. Now, when those showers and storms come through during the day tomorrow, I think the best bet will be in the afternoon, and that will be east of Grand Rapids, and that would be a slight risk. Dew points are going to drop from 72 tomorrow to 61 on Thursday, and then back up to around 61 the following Tuesday. Long range outlook says we are definitely in for a cool spell. High chances for that from the 11th through the 15th. And an equal chance for more or less rainfall also during that 5-day period. Out on Lake Michigan, we can expect the beach hazard alert to be extended further south overnight tonight, even though waves will be running around 2 to 3 feet most of the night. So again, later on tonight, we're expecting skies to become mostly cloudy with a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm late tonight. Upper 60s north, around 70 or so south. Northern part of our viewing area, a late night shower or rumble of thunder. Upper 60s to near 70. Still a muggy night. Same here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows right around 70. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Wednesday with that marginal risk in green. Still very humid. Humidity leaves us on Thursday morning. Still some showers around. Cloudy and 68 Friday over the weekend, back into the 70s. Another shower or a thunderstorm, mainly showers. We've moved it into Monday night and next to Tuesday, but cooler than average temperatures to follow that most of next week. Near record and record tying day here today with high temperatures across the region reaching the low 90s. We do have a cool down on the way. 13 weather ball is blue. Not quite as hot, but almost as humid weather in view for your Wednesday. It's also blinking bright. We have some scattered showers and even some thunderstorms in sight.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
This evening, we've got some high clouds coming in from the west, so an overcast evening for Layla, I believe. Could be La La Land, but I'm thinking Layla. Jordan, Jessica, just take it easy this evening. It's going to be in the 80s, still a green paw, lots of water. In the morning, there might be a rumble of thunder early on, so I'm going to give you the red paw for dashing out the door here tomorrow morning. 6.2 out of a 10-point scale to generate green energy from the sun tomorrow, not as much as today, mainly because of clouds and showers for the early half of the day. Winds up just a little bit as a cold front moves on through, so 1.6 million equivalent homes will be powered by just the wind tomorrow. There are some scattered storms around the Jackson area. Eastern Calhoun County not going to be affecting West Michigan. Those will stay away from us. We've got just some high clouds here this evening. We got a low pressure system moving on up into northwestern Minnesota. Out ahead of it, maybe some thunderstorms developing here in western Wisconsin, eastern Minnesota. Won't see any severe weather here tonight, but there is a small risk tomorrow. But those storms over Jackson are going to dissipate next couple of hours. We might see a scattered shower or a storm just about the time you head out the door or wake up tomorrow morning, and then most of the storms are going to be done in the morning. Now, they might refire in the afternoon, especially from Kalamazoo over toward Lansing to the east, but for the most part here in West Michigan, I think we will just see some ordinary showers and some thunderstorms, and then some cool weather settling in with cloudy skies Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow, there is a marginal risk for severe weather, 1 out of 5. I think, again, that will be in the afternoon, mainly to our east. Long range outlook as we get into the middle part of September from the 13th through the 19th, still hanging on to cooler than average temperatures, though. Our average highs are in the mid 70s, so low 70s does qualify for cooler than average, and we have a high chance that we'll see less rainfall also during that 7-day period. Water temperatures are hanging in there, upper 60s to around 70, still low and mid 70s in the southwestern part of the lake. I don't see that changing for at least a little while. So tonight, expect a late night shower or a rumble of thunder. I'm thinking between 5 and 8 a.m. Mid and upper 60s northern part of the lakeshore zone, around 70 or so, Muskegon and Holland southward. Northern part of our viewing area, upper 60s to near 70 with a very late night shower or a rumble of thunder. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, maybe a rumble of thunder in the next half an hour over Battle Creek to the east, but most of our chances for rain will come late tonight. Overnight lows upper 60s to near 70. You'll need to keep that air conditioning on. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Wednesday with that marginal or slight risk day there in green as we hit 83 for a high. So all about 10 degrees cooler than today. Another 10 degrees cooler on Thursday with the humidity leaving us in the afternoon. Still some scattered showers and some haze. 68 and cloudy on Friday. Kind of a cool day, but bouncing back into the mid 70s over the weekend. Closer to seasonable highs around 78. Next week, we pushed the showers out of Monday into Monday night and now Tuesday. And then cool next week with some sunshine and low 70s.
Here's a sign that fall is not far away. Robinette's in Grand Rapids has opened its corn maze for the season.
Yeah, look at that. It's a huge part of the fall experience over there at Robinette's, which has been in West Michigan for more than 100 years. This year's design, as you can see, it's in the shape of a bee, and it brings attention to the vital role bees play at their orchard and farms across West Michigan.
That is just awesome, and there's so much more to do at Robinette's. There are hay rides, you pick apples, a winery, and of course, donuts and cider.
Okay, about time.
It doesn't feel like fall outside right now, but cooler weather is on the way.
And some rain too, is that right, George?
That's right. We've got some scattered showers and storms that may arrive here in West Michigan just about time you wake up tomorrow morning. Well, at least most of us wake up tomorrow morning. And that's why the 13 weather ball is blinking bright tonight for those scattered showers and storms very late tonight. It's also blue. Finally, some relief from the heat in view.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today, 90 plus across the region. Warm spots, Holland, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek at 92. We were at 91 here in Grand Rapids, and that came within 1 degree of the forecast high. We've been on target or within our target range 11 days in a row. And that 91 just shy of the record. I'm going to update Muskegon to 92. You tied your record there, set back in 1948, as well as Holland. Not quite a record here in Grand Rapids or in Kalamazoo, but hot enough. That's because the upper level winds have been pulling up that heat and humidity from the southwest. Last couple of days, it was 90 plus starting on Sunday, Monday, and now today. And now we're cooling off, and we've got a rather cool rest of the week coming up after tomorrow. Highs only in the 60s on Friday, and weather patterns going to stay on the coolish side as some cooler air briefly dips down into the Great Lakes region, but I don't think we're going to be that much cooler. We're talking 70s instead of 90s. There are some stronger storms over toward Jackson, but they're heading away from us as we anticipated they would, south and east of 69, and those showers and storms are going to fall apart next couple of hours. Now, towards daybreak, we'll see a line of some showers and some thunderstorms. I don't think these will be severe. This will be for your morning commute, and then they'll move out. We'll get a little bit of afternoon sun, and there might be another line that just rumbles up a little bit later on in the afternoon east of Lansing. But generally scattered showers on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and just kind of a gray day with maybe a lingering shower on Thursday. We're getting into a little bit of a fall weather pattern rather than late summer. 72 our dew point here tomorrow, so still very humid, but less humid on Thursday as that humidity leaves us in the afternoon, and then comfortable for the weekend. Should be a great Friday night football weather, and then briefly up to 60 again plus on Tuesday, and that's when we have another chance of some showers. Out at Lake Michigan here tomorrow, scattered storms early on, but then some afternoon sunshine. Beach hazard alert from Ottawa County northward as waves will build to 3 to 4 feet in those areas. So for tomorrow, look for scattered showers, thunderstorms. Upper 70s north, low 80s to the south. That's a lot cooler than today. Upper 70s, a northern part of our viewing area, 82 there in Greenville. Morning showers, thunderstorms ending in the early afternoon, and then low and mid 80s from Grand Rapids southward. Again, watch out for those showers and storms. 13 on your side forecast. Humidity leaves us, as I mentioned, and so does the heat, dropping from 83 to 73 Wednesday and Thursday, 68 and cloudy on Friday. Then back into the mid-70s Saturday and Sunday. It'll be dry, much more comfortable. We push the showers into Monday night and Tuesday now. Next week, cooler than that average high of 78, upper 60s to low 70s.